Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect DSers to AliExpress for bulk order fulfillment step by step clearly. First, open your web browser and navigate to the DSers website. Sign in to your DSers account using your credentials. If you do not have an account, click on the sign up button and follow the prompts to create one. Once logged in, locate the AliExpress integration option in the dashboard. Click on AliExpress to begin the connection process. You will be prompted to authorize DSers to access your AliExpress account. Click on the Authorize button to proceed. Next, you will be redirected to the AliExpress login page. Enter your AliExpress account email and password to log in. Once logged in, the system will ask you to confirm the permissions for DSers. Review the permissions and click on Allow to complete the authorization. After successfully connecting, you will see a confirmation message on your DSers dashboard. Now, navigate to the product section within your DSers account. Click on Add Products to start importing items from AliExpress. Use the search bar to find the products you wish to fulfill in bulk. Once you find a product, click on the Import button next to it. Customize the product details as needed within the DSers interface. After making any adjustments, click on the Save button to add the product to your store. Repeat this process for all the products you want to import from AliExpress. Next, go to the Orders section in your DSers account. Here you can manage bulk orders and process them efficiently. Select the orders you want to fulfill and click on the Fulfill button. DSers will automatically process the orders through AliExpress. You will receive updates on the status of the orders within your DSers dashboard. Monitor your orders regularly to ensure timely fulfillment and customer satisfaction. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.